editing, but you get that real. You know, like in movies, there's that depth of field that's just in focus. You get that same effect.
Did you put yours on?
No. From work, the internet connection's so slow. You still recording? I'm done.